By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to create and open your JustMarket account step by step. This is a full tutorial. So guys, let's get started. So make sure you click on the link in the description of this video or in the pinned comment section. It will take you to the sign up page like this. So first of all, you enter your email address, which is going to be your Gmail or your Yahoo mail. Just make sure it is a valid email you have full access to and you're the one that owns the mail. So let's continue. So let me enter that real quick. So the next thing you have to do, you click on the next icon. Let me bring out this Microsoft. So you click on verify you're a human. Just click on the box and wait for it to load. Guys, if you have questions, make sure you ask in the comment section of this video. So let's continue. So now you click on continue. So the code has been sent to your mail. So make sure you check that. So guys, I've gotten the mail. I just paste the mail, then click on continue. So now you enter your password that you use. So make sure it is like 8 characters minimum, at least one uppercase and lowercase with mixed of numbers and a special letter. Special letters are these letters. These characters are special letters, as you guys can see. So now let me get to that real quick. Continue. So choose the country you are from. So I'm creating this account for a Nigerian citizen, so it's on Nigeria. If you are from Ghana, choose Ghana. I'll make sure you use the link in the description of this video and pin comment section so you won't fall into the victim of scam page. So yeah, using the link give you access to a lot of bonuses, a lot of reward, and a dedicated customer support. So we're not going to redeem this $50 JustMarkets reward right now. They want to complete our profile first. So you click on complete verification. So you are from Nigeria, you have different means you need two documents to verify your account. If you are from Nigeria or Africa, you need proof of identity and proof of address. So for your proof of identity, you can use your national ID card, your voter's card, your international passport, driving license, and so on. So we're going to use for this person you have the ID card, which is like more of NIN slip. So we're going to use the NIN slip. Let's continue. So yeah, we're asked to upload the NIN slips front and back. No, this. Let me just click back. Let me just click ID card and let's see. Ask it for front and back. Let me get that real quick. So guys, you need two means of identity. The first identity is prove that you are a citizen of that country, which is proof of identity, and the second identity you need is proof of address, which means you are living in that country. So that's why we use our bank statements and so on. So now for our proof of identity, you can use your international passport, you can use your driving license, voter's card, and so on. So now for this video, we are going to use national ID card like the NIN slip front and back. So we'll click on continue. So you upload the front. So let me do that real quick. So now resident verification, we are going to use bank statement. Like you can see, you can use affidavits, you can use your utility bills, your water bills, electricity bills, and so on, or any government issued document. So now right now we're going to use bank statement. So let's click on continue. So you are going to upload the bank statement. So I'm just going to choose upload. And for your for your postal code is needed. All you just have to do is copy the address on your bank statement, go to Google, generate the postal code and paste. So you go to any browser, just type postal code for the address. It's as simple as ABC. You will see the postal code. Then you use the postal code. You can see. Paste it. And click on continue. So now, what is the purpose of opening this account? We are going to click on investment and click on continue. So what is your current employment status? If you're a business owner, self-employed or employed, choose the one that suits you. But this person is a student, so I'm going to click on student. So what profession or industry, like what job do you do as a student, or if you are into IT, just choose. So this person is into education, stay student. We'll click on continue. So what is the primary source of income that you want to use to retrade in? You can choose salary income if you are a salary earner, but this person is savings. Click on continue. So what is the total wealth, like your including cash, in bank balance, other liquid assets you have in total. So this person is below $50,000, and you can also choose below $50,000. What is your annual net income? How much you earn in a annually? So it's below $50,000. So choose that. So what is your yearly amount you expect to spend in depositing to your trading account? This person is below $20,000. Click on continue. So before engaging in trading, please consider this person's standing and expectation. So you just have to check out all these boxes and click you are not a political person. So you click on continue. So now use where you put your number, your phone number you'll be using to receive withdrawal code and so on. Like let's say this should be your personal number. So I'm going to input that real quick. So just put it 8116. See if there's a mistake. I need to be 81661740. So now we'll click on continue. A code will be sent to it, so you can see identity successfully verified. You can now deposit and trade. So let's just click on deposit, then we'll now back it. So congratulations, 15 JustMarkets USD has been credited to your reward wallet. Transfer them to your withdrawal wallet based on that is if you use the partner link in the description and pin comment of this video. If not, you won't be qualified for these bonuses. You can click on transfer to your main wallet. Let's just leave 15 USD. Let's click on allocate. Okay, let's check our main account to be deposited soon. So this is how you create and verify your JustMarket account. So now you can now download JustMarket app and sign in. It's as simple as ABC. Just make sure you use the partner code on your screen and make sure you use the Chrome extension or any browser to create your account before logging into your mobile app. So for you to deposit to your trading account is also very easy. JustMarkets is one of the fast growing broker out there. So you can use numerous ways to deposit. You can use bank transfer, you can use crypto, you can use Skrill, Neteller, Street Pay, wire transfer, and so on. So guys, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. And also if you have any other question, make sure you join my Telegram community where I drop premium signals for free. We trade together. What you just have to do is to create your trading account, deposit, and start taking my trade. Like the win rate is up to 90%. I'm not perfect. We learn from each other every day. Please guys, don't give up your trading. See you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.